Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your app is updated and your account meets Spotlight eligibility. That saves time later. Once ready, record a vertical clip between 5 and 60 seconds and keep audio original. After editing, choose a strong thumbnail, add a concise caption and relevant tags, then tap Submit to Spotlight. You do this because only submitted and guideline-compliant snaps can appear in Spotlight. Make sure you follow the rules, so Snapchat will accept and distribute your clip. Once submitted, you need to wait for Snapchat's review. This can take hours to days depending on volume. Make sure to check your profile then Spotlight section for a status label, accepted, rejected, or pending, and look at notifications for direct messages about acceptance. If accepted, monitor the Spotlight inbox and analytics to see view counts and engagement. You do this because Spotlight distribution is automated. Tracking these indicators tells you whether your snap is currently being shown to other users. Finally, when your snap is accepted, open the Spotlight tab and use your profile analytics to confirm visibility and reach. If you don't see your clip after acceptance, make sure your region settings aren't restricting distribution. Clear the app cache or reinstall to refresh content, and verify your clip met all content guidelines. If problems persist, gather the submission ID and contact Snapchat support because they can check internal distribution logs. This single escalation is the only reliable way to resolve unexplained visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.